Hey everybody, I just want to do a quick review for you on these EcoGel Porta Potty chemical pods or sleeves that we got here. So I started using this brand last year for our camping trips. So definitely well over a year that we've used them. Um, this is the one that I use every time we go, on any outdoor trip or camping trip or wherever we might need to take like the portable toilet with us. So just to let you know real quick, like I said, I've been using them and really like them. One of the things that I would say, just a quick tip on it is, a full packet of this stuff is good for like a gallon. And if you're peeing in here, like I don't think many people pee a full gallon, right? So I wouldn't recommend pouring like the full thing in there. I use it for like kind of individual use. So like I personally wouldn't let this bag sit around. I use it, take it out, throw it away. So you don't need to use a full one of these pods. So what I do is, tear it open, use maybe a quarter, half of it, or whatever you think is necessary, and then fold it back up and then store it for next time. So it helps it to last a lot longer and eliminates a lot of waste, right? So overall, it does a good job at gelling up what it's supposed to do, and just does a really good job, and I highly recommend them.